Hey everyone, welcome back to your favorite Crypto Insights channel. In today's video, we're diving deep into Mog Coin, a meme coin that's been buzzing all over the crypto space recently. If you're holding MOG, planning to buy, or just curious about what's going on, this video is your ultimate update. We'll talk about the latest Mog Coin news, its current market condition, price predictions, and whether you should hold it for the long term. Mog is a meme-based cryptocurrency that emerged from internet culture, much like Dogecoin and Pepe. But Mog isn't just about memes and jokes. It's building a loyal and fast-growing community on social media, especially X, formerly Twitter, and has seen a huge spike in volume recently. It represents the next generation of meme coins that aren't just about laughs, but also community strength and smart tokenomics. Let's talk about the latest news and updates from the Mog ecosystem. Mog Coin has seen a major uptick in on-chain transactions. According to recent data, Mog recorded more than 400,000 active holders, and it's growing. Rumors are swirling about Mog potentially getting attention from big exchanges like Binance or Coinbase. While nothing is confirmed, this kind of buzz drives volume and interest. The coin has seen multiple celebrity meme reposts and interaction from big influencers. This kind of organic visibility is what turned coins like Shiba Inu into monsters. As of now, latest data shows Mog Coin is trading at around $0.00000090 with a market cap of over $352 million, up more than 300% in the last 30 days. Now, let's talk about price prediction, the part everyone waits for. If the market remains bullish and Mog's community keeps growing, we could see Mog hitting $0.000035 to $0.00042 in 2025. In case of listings on major exchanges and real ecosystem expansion, Mog might hit $0.00008 or even $0.0001. If Mog evolves into a real meme coin brand with NFT and staking integrations, the price could reach $0.0002 or higher. But that depends heavily on community engagement and broader crypto adoption. These are just estimates and not financial advice. Meme coins are high-risk, high-reward assets. So now the big question, is Mog Coin worth holding for the long term? Rapidly growing community, massive engagement on social media, potential for meme virality, new features like NFTs, staking, and possible exchange listings, Mog Coin has become one of the most exciting meme coins in 2025. From price rallies to social media virality, it has the ingredients to become the next big thing, but only time will tell. Let me know in the comments, are you holding Mog? What's your price prediction? Do you think it can compete with Shiba and Doge? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in the next update.